2017 Sitka blacktail hunt. It's game time. We got the fearsome trio here. Yeah, we lost one. We lost the weak. Only the strong survive around here. So we'll go buck into a little weather and kill some deer. Opening day. Got out here last night. Hung on the anchor all night. Saw a couple fox. Had to pry the gun out of Brandon's hands. Told him he had to swim to the beach, so he put it back. But we're going around the corner to see what we can find. Game time.
He's getting excited. Question is, do we want to see him? They're going to come at 10 yards. Give me a stick. What should I do? One or two or what? Just one.
Just one?
Yeah, just one. Uh-oh, they're coming really, really close.
Shoot two.
No, don't shoot two.
Which one?
I don't care. You guys get three on one side. No, the first one. Shoot the first one. No, he's little. He's a little guy.
Boom, boom. Fuck, I should just for meat, Brandon. You want to shoot one?
No.
I mean, that might have fucked this place up, you know. Got one down. Brandon said he was a fork.
I told you he had three.
Oh yeah, a little bastard.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
Let's go find another one.
Let's go find another one.
Good job, Kev. They're in for a long ride down. So are we.
You ready for this? Wasn't bad.
Send Foxy down. We made it. Barely. These ought to be fun.